Hey guys, it's Ashley from Out Reviews, and today we're unboxing Grandma in a Box. This is a monthly cookie / candy decorating subscription box. Each package comes with a seasonal assortment of crafts. There's 3 in total. 1 that is cookie decorating, and then 2 that are creating candy. You'll end up with 15 to 20 pieces at the end. Boxes are just $20. You can choose to do one time, or you can choose to have it auto renew. If you do the auto renewal, you will get $10 off your first box. So your first box is just $10. This is great. This was created by a grandmother who wanted to have like quality time with her grandkids, but she lived far away. So she started sending them these little care packages of how, let's create some cookies, and maybe they Skype when they do it. I actually really like to share this with like friends, kids, when they come over. It's something fun to do, and then the kids have something at the end to enjoy and like really enjoy something that they created. You see what I'm saying? My kids love it. They see this box in the mail, they're like ready, they're like pumped. So this is just a simple unboxing. We will, in the full review, I always show what we created. I always like, like a little step-by-step. They're so simple to make. Everything is so easy, just perfect for a kid. Just truly a fun box. All right, I did already start unboxing this and I wasn't happy with my video. So I have my little, these are the inserts. So you get one that tells you all about this box. It's the winter treats themed box. And then on the box, it has the box contents. Then we have our first project, which is hot chocolate treats, the little hot chocolate mugs. Second treat is holly wreaths, which is really cute. And then finally is our cookie decorating, which is winter cookies. So they typically send about 3 icings for you to use to decorate, and then a whole bunch of different sprinkles. And it turns into a lot of fun. So there's a package of 6 marshmallows. Those would be for our hot cocoa treats. Probably 6 candy canes as well. These are also going to go in our hot cocoa treats. These are little red and green jimmies. And then these are, what is this? Little, it looks like ground up candy cane bits, like, you see? Ah, it's interesting. Then we've got some little papers, like liners, I guess. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in total. So those are probably going to be for our hot cocoa mugs. I don't know what those are going to be for yet. We've got some corn flakes. That's a big container of corn flakes. All right. Those are probably for the holly wreaths. What do you think? We've got some melting chocolate. This is always a fun one for the kids. They get to put it in. They get to stir it up. They get to see how long it takes. That's always exciting. All right. We've got some more. These are Perels, little red, green, and white Perels. And then we've got what looks to be some Red Hots, or like those little hot, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? Those are cute. Those are cute. I'm imagining them all as like decorative items, not candy. All right, then we've got our icings. So in this month's box, we have 1, 2, 3 icings. We always have 3: red, green, and white. Very fitting for the holidays. Super duper cute. Then we've got oh my gosh, there's 2 gingerbread men. Oh my gosh, I love it. That's the first time we haven't received a sugar cookie. Interesting and important to note as well. Then we've got 2 Christmas trees, and those are sugar cookies. Or I don't know if this is a sugar cookie for sure, but I'm guessing it's a sugar cookie. Then there is, there's some little white Perels, just plain white Perels. And we have 4 snowflakes. Typically in this box, they'll send 4 big cookies and then 4 smaller ones. Like for November, I think it was little acorns, and then the bigger ones were like turkeys and big leaves. So that's what you can get, just bet on for the cookies. And then there is always like 2 or 3 pieces of parchment paper in the bottom for you to lay your crafts out to dry and, set the chocolate and all that. So that's everything we received in our December Grandma in a Box. I cannot wait to get in here and see what we received. I love this one. It's so much fun. If you have kids in your life, or you have kids that live far away that you wish were more a part of your life, this is a really, really great subscription. I will link below to my full review. I will also link to Grandma in a Box. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.